Charlie White, level 2 light vehicle maintenance. Since I was a little kid, I always loved getting my hands dirty, fixing loads of things, always did it. I liked it from the taster days, so I decided to come here. Obviously we start off with the brakes really, that's what the main starter is. So you learn how to do the brake pads, the discs, wheels, learn how to bleed the brakes. Start off with the dead basics. When you're in the workshop, everyone's always having a laugh. Everyone's always chatting. There's music playing, all of that. And it's just when you're working in the workshop, even in the lesson, in writing, doing all the theory, it's all chilled out. Everyone gets on well with each other. Best teachers is Mark, Paul and Graham. Those three are the best teachers. They're amazing here. Yeah. If you've got a problem, you can always just go to them, and if anything like that, you can just talk to them, open up to them or anything. Hopefully go on to level 3, if not, then I'll try and find myself an apprenticeship or go on to the army, do engineering in there.